Hi friends, your captain B Benoflin Sam is here. So today I'm going to teach compound angles and transformation formula for class 12th mathematics. So last day I have taught what I have taught actually? Yeah, that trigonometric statements. And today I'm going to teach this, okay? So lock in, okay? And it is very interesting. This was very important for this J and J advanced and mains also. Okay, I forgot mains. So let's get started. So okay, the first one is compound angles. So I'll tell you what's compound angles first. I will know. There's a formulas, okay, like this. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Okay, first one. Or you can write like this. Very easy for use. For this one, cos A plus or minus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus or plus sin A into sin B. Means if cos A plus B means minus, then A minus B means plus, like that, okay? So we take as tan also there, okay? So A plus or minus B, which is equal to tan A plus or minus tan B, okay, by 1 minus or plus tan A into tan B. So these are the main important things you have to know, okay? And for this, I'll write one box, okay? It is important for the chain mains, okay? Just plug in. Minus 1 by 2 root 2 cos 15 degree is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 sorry root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Degree is equal to 2 minus root 3 and tan 5 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3. It is very important, this one. So in J mains they will memorize this one to get this, okay? And this is also very important. You have to memorize a lot this one, okay? We here totally 6 formulas are there. 6 formulas. How means this will be 2 into 1 equal to 2. So here they are 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That's why it will go 6, okay? So this is it's very important to memorize. Then you have to memorize these values, okay? And this is that's all for compound angles. We'll go for transformation angles. Transformation angles. Formulas. Okay, in here you can take a product of sine or cosine, okay, into their sums or difference. Okay, there are four formulas here for it. Okay, number one, 2 sine A cos B, which is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Okay, and 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. The third one is 2 sin A into sin B, which is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. You can this also will become deal. And last but not least, 2 cos A cos B. It is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this is how I have to memorize this one, okay? So it will be like 6 plus 4 plus also the last word is there, and you'll go for questions, okay? So see, this is a product of sine and cosine into their this one. So I told you that first one is compound angle, it's a formation of this one. That's it. And the last thing you're going to see, and I'm going to give homework, okay? Okay. What if it forms like this? Wait here. Some more difference into product. Okay. Here, the next formula is that sine something like plus or minus like that or cos like that turns into product. How it goes, then I'm going to teach you. So here, first one is sine C plus sine D, like this format, okay? Which is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay. Here the second one is sin C minus sin D. Okay. This is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Right, okay. So cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The last but not least, cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Wow. And here they will not tell C minus D. It cos D minus C by 2. This is the main important thing, you have to know it, okay? So here it changes. For rest is not. So you have to know these important things, okay? So it will be like, how much will be like 6 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 14. You have to memorize 14 things to solve the JEE questions. For example, I will give the simple questions. Okay. Okay. For example, the question they asked is 2 sine 5 theta into cos 5 7 theta. This is what? If they ask this question, don't worry, you will solve it by yourself. For 2 sine 5 theta into cos 7 theta is equal to, we know the formula, sine 5 theta plus 7 theta into minus plus sine 5 theta minus 7 theta. So is equal to sine 12 theta plus sine minus 2 theta, or you can tell us sine 12 theta minus sine 2 theta. This is how to solve this question by ourselves, okay? And this question, they will ask like this question, okay? It's very easy only, but you have to do in a different way. 2 sine a minus c into cos c minus sine a minus 2c plus the denominator 2 sine b minus c into cos c, okay, minus sine b minus 2c equal to what? Okay, we solve by ourselves. So here we can take like this, sine a minus c plus c, plus sine a minus c minus sine a minus 2c, and here this is one thing, we are going as sine b minus c plus c plus sine b minus c minus sine b minus 2c. So if you calculate like this, you will get like this, okay? So you can take this, cancel, and here you will get as 2 minus 2c, but it will be cancelled here. So same as this one. So here it is like this. So you take as sine a into sine b. This is how to find these problems like this, okay? And the homework question, have to do it by yourself. Don't do ChatGPT, like a lot of A's, even Google, okay? So you have to do by yourself. That's very simple questions, okay? The first question is 2 cos 7 theta Very simple question. You have to do this. Sine phi theta is what? Number 2 to sine 54 degree into sine 66 degree is what? In here it is in a numerical value, okay? Numerical value. So I have to, what I have to do is comment it. Okay, so that's all for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.